Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will start a new exercise 10.2. Okay students, so first question is there. Examine the following sets of numbers for Pythagorean triplets. Okay students, that means Pythagorean triplet के लिए आपको ये find करना है कि ये Pythagorean triplet का set है या फिर नहीं. Okay students, and you all know that how to find it. यस स्टूडेंट्स, पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होता है कि ये पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट है या नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट इज द ट्रिपलेट. ओके, ट्रिपलेट दैट मीन्स इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ थ्री थिंग्स. सो हियर ए पार्ट इज 5, 12 and 13. And students, the greatest side, that is the hypotenuse. Okay, so students, that is the hypotenuse and one is base and other is perpendicular. Okay students, so according to Pythagoras triplet, according to Pythagoras theorem, yes, what is this? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay students, so here hypotenuse is 1, 3, that means 13 square, and that is base is 12 square, and students perpendicular is 5 square. Okay, so 13 square, that is 169, and that is 144, and 5 5s are 25. So students, 169 is equal to 169. So students, if left hand side is equal to the right hand side, that means 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is that clear students? Okay. Now B part is here 8, 15, 17. So students, that is the hypotenuse, that is the base and that is the perpendicular. ऐसा नहीं है, आप इन्हें इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, hypotenuse is here 17 square is equal to base square, that means 15 square plus 8 square. Okay students, so here 17 square is 289, 15 square is 225, 8 square is 64. So that is 289 is equal to, we can add them, 5 and 4 9, 2 and 6 8, and that is 289. Okay students, so it is equal to this one. So that means 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is that clear students? Okay, so that is your answer. Here C part is 15, 35 and 39. Okay students, so here that is the hypotenuse, okay, that is base and that is perpendicular. Okay students, so hypotenuse square is equal to 39 square is equal to 35 square and 15 square. Okay students, so 39 square is equal to 1521 is equal to 35 square is 1225 plus 15 square is, that is 225. Okay students, so here 1521 is equal to, now we can add them, 5 plus 5, that is 10, that is 224, and then 5 and 2 to 4, and that is 1. So students, that is not equal to this one. So students, it is not the set of Pythagorean triplet. Okay students, so that means 15, 35, 39 is not Pythagorean triplet. Okay students, next one is D part. So students, here 9, 13, 15. So student, that is the hypotenuse, that is base and that is perpendicular. Okay, so hypotenuse square is equal to, that is 15 square is equal to base square, that is 13 square, and 9 square, that is perpendicular square, that is 225, and that is 169, that is 81. Okay, so 225 is equal to 9 and 1, 10, 6 and 8, that is 14, and then 1, 15, so 1 carry, so student, that is 2. 250. Okay, students, it is not equal to this one. So that means 9, 13, 15 is not Pythagorean triplet. Okay, students. Okay. Now the next question is question number 2. The measure of the two sides of a right angle triangle are given below. Find the third side and fill each of the following. That means टू साइड की मेजर आपको गिवन है एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में एंड आपको थर्ड साइड फाइंड करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हियर बेस इज 3 centimeter, perpendicular is 4 centimeter, and we have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so according to, yes, Pythagoras theorem, yes student, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square and perpendicular square. So students, hypotenuse square is equal to, yes, base square, that is 3 square, and perpendicular square, that is 4 square. Okay, so that is 3 square, that is 9, and 4 square, that is 16. Okay, now hypotenuse square is equal to 9 plus 16, that is 25. So students, ये भी किसी का स्क्वायर होता है. किसका? दैट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 5. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हेयर आप ऐसा सपोज कीजिए कि 2 से 2 कैंसिल, बट होता नहीं है ऐसा. ठीक है, सो हेयर हाइपोटेनस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज बी. बेस इज हेयर 6 सेंटीमीटर, परपेंडिकुलर इज हेयर 10 सेंटीमीटर, and we have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so according to this rule, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square, that is 6 square, and perpendicular square, that is 10 square. So students, hypotenuse square is equal to 6 square, that is 36, and 10 square, that is 100. Okay students, hypotenuse square is equal to 136. So students, we can write as hypotenuse is here 136. So that is your answer. Okay students. ओके, दैट मीन्स हाइपोटेनस यहाँ पर क्या होगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 136. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ये किसी का स्क्वायर रूट होता तो हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते थे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज सी. सो हियर बेस इज 30 सेंटीमीटर, परपेंडिकुलर इज 40 सेंटीमीटर, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइपोटेनस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस perpendicular square. So students, base square, that means 30 square, and perpendicular square, that means 40 square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 30 square, that means 3 3s are 9 into 100, and 4 4s are 16, and into 100. Okay, so here hypotenuse square is equal to 0 0, and students 15 and 1 1, that is 2. Okay students, so here hypotenuse square is equal to, students, it is the square of 50. Okay students, so here hypotenuse is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, next one is D part. Perpendicular is 15 centimeter, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, and we have to find the base. Okay, so here, that is the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. That is hypotenuse square, that is 25 square, and we don't have base, so that will be as it is, and perpendicular square, that is 15 square. Okay, now that is 25 square, that is 625, is equal to base square, and 15 square, that is 225. Okay students, so here 625 will be as it is, and students, this is in the left side. Okay, and here b square as it is. Okay, so now b square is equal to, that is 5 minus 5, that is 0, 2 minus 2, that is 0, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay students, so b square is equal to, students, ये किसका स्क्वायर होता है? ये स्क्वायर होता है 20 का. So that means b is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, so that is your answer. Next one is E part. Base is here 12 centimeter, hypotenuse is here 15 centimeter and perpendicular find करना है. Students, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So students, जो भी आपके पास वैल्यू है वो पुट कर दीजिए. So hypotenuse square is equal to 15 square and we have base 12 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter square, and that is perpendicular we don't have, so that will be as it is. Okay, here 15 square, that is 225, is equal to 12 square, that is 144, plus perpendicular square. So students, this will be in the left hand side, so that will be negative. Okay students, so that is equal to perpendicular square. Okay, so students, 5 minus 4, that is 1, 12 minus 4, that is 8. So student, that is perpendicular square. So student, that is the square of 9, that is p square. So students, we have perpendicular, that is 9 centimeter. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the next part is F. Perpendicular is 20 centimeter, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, and we have to find the base. So students, same here. So hypotenuse square is equal to 25 square and base square we don't have, so that will be as it is, and perpendicular square, that is 20 square. Okay, so 25 square, that is 625, is equal to base square, so we don't have, that will be as it is, and b square, that is 400. So students, b square is equal to 625 minus 400. So that is b square is equal to 5, 2 and 6 minus 4, that is 2. So b square is equal to 15 square, so that means b is equal to 15 centimeter. So that is 15 centimeter is your answer. Okay, is that clear? Okay students, now the next question is question number 3. In a right angle triangle, two acute angles are in a ratio 2:3. So students, find the measure of the angle. Okay students, that means students, एक right angle triangle है आपके पास. Okay, A, B, C. Okay students, एक right angle triangle में एक एंगल तो आपको पता है 90 डिग्री का होता है, एंड स्टूडेंट्स आपको एक्यूट एंगल का रेशियो गिवन है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो एक्यूट एंगल्स आर, यस स्टूडेंट्स, वन इज 2x एंड सेकेंड वन इज 3x. ओके, हमने x की फॉर्म में इसे क्यों लिया, क्योंकि ये रेशियो में है. ओके, सो एक्यूट एंगल वन इज 2x एंड सेकेंड वन इज 3x. स्टूडेंट, दैट इज 90 एंड दैट इज 2x एंड दैट इज 3x. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप इसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं इजीली. यस, एज यू ऑल नो दैट द सम ऑफ ऑल इट्स इंटीरियर angle is 180 degree. Okay, so students, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here angle A is 2x and angle B is 90, angle C is 3x is equal to 180. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x plus 90 is equal to 180, and students, 5x is here 180 minus 90. So that means 5x is here 90. So students, x is here 90 upon 5. Okay students. So students, 5 ones are 5 and student, that is 40. 5 8s are 40. So students, x is here 80 degrees. Okay. So acute angles are, yes, one is 2x. So 2 into 18, that is 36 degrees. And that is 3x, so 3 into x, so that is 54 degrees. So that is your acute angle. Okay students? Okay, so now that's all for today, and students, if you have any doubt in any questions, you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.